Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning all I'm going to do is I'm going to put some green beans, farm fresh green beans, in the crock pot. And with these green beans I am going to use some of this side meat sliced pork that my son gave me from North Carolina. And we're just going to put it in the crock pot and let it cook today. And you'll have a bowl of green beans, fresh green beans. So the first thing you actually need to do, put them in a bag. Looks like there's going to be a whole bunch. So what you need to do is old-fashioned, snap your green beans. Some people go and snap them one time, or then they snap them and go ahead and finish them up. Ever how long you want your green beans to be. I'm going to snap mine where they'll be about an inch long. And look at your green beans when you're snapping them and make sure that you get them where they look good. I can remember my dad, he would always have some green beans or peas to shell when the World Series was on, and he'd sit down and watch the World Series, and he would do this for Mom. So all you do is you snap your green beans. It takes a little while. It's not something you're going to hop in here and have it done in 5 minutes. But they sure are a lot better than in the cans. Okay, I've got my string beans snapped. Ooh, there's a little end. I need to put that. And this is what I did not snap. I did not like the looks of some of them, so I just didn't snap them at all. So we'll just put those in the trash. This is right minutes, so what we're going to do is I'm going to rewash them one more time. We're going to put them in the crock pot. And as you all know, I always put my crock pots up on a piece of a towel, so I've got that done. Then I'm going to take a couple of slices of this side meat sliced pork. And I'm going to cut up a couple of slices and just put it in here. This is what will flavor it. See, it just comes in long strips like that. So I'll just cut it up in a couple of pieces. This is really good after it cooks. I think I've got 2 pieces in there. That should be enough according to the string beans I've got. And I'm going to put water over the top of it. Turn it on. I'm going to turn it on high because I'm not going anywhere today for a while. And just let it cook. And if I go anywhere, then I'll cut it back down low. And you'll probably take it 2 hours, maybe 3. Even if you were going to work, you could actually put this on and it would be done when you get home. I just put enough water to cover my beans. I don't want an abundance of water in there. And that's all you have to do. Got it on high. We're ready to roll. And again, this is just string beans with some side meat in it. And I'm just going to let it cook. Again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe to my channel. And I will be back in just a little bit. Okay, my green beans have been cooking a couple of hours. Let's just see what they look like today. They actually really look good. They're tender. Well, they've got a good smell to them. As you can see, I put some pieces of that meat, that side meat in them. That really looks good. And I'm going to try them out. And again, this is nothing more but fresh string beans. You can use bacon, you could use old-fashioned fatback. This is considered side meat that came from North Carolina that my son gave me. And it sure does give them a good smell. I'm going to put some pepper on them. Let's see what we've got here. Again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This is nothing but fresh green beans. You snap off the ends and break them in two. Put them in your crock pot with some water and put some kind of meat in there with them of some sort. You can even use bacon. And now you have fresh string beans. Hope you join my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. And it's really a good side dish that you can have for Thanksgiving. Okay, I will come back and see you again. Have a good day.